Okay, so this is just a quick one showing you how to view encoder settings in FFmpeg. So all you need to do is type in FFmpeg-encoders to get a full list of all of the encoders that you have. And if you want to view the specific options for a specific encoder, all you need to do is type in FFmpeg-help and then encoder equals and then the name of your encoder. So let's just pick H264_NVEnc. And now we have a list. Let's just stop this from wrapping. And now you can view a list of all of that specific encoder's options. So I hope you found this quick tip useful. Don't forget to subscribe and thanks for watching. Goodbye.